Jessica's car has been stranded for weeks. Essential repair unaffordable.
Looking for someone whose car repair bill they can't afford. I partnered with this shop. I told the owner my plan. He said, "I know exactly who needs this." There's a woman. Her name's Jessica. Single mom, 2 kids. Her transmission is shot. It's going to cost her $850 to fix. She can't afford it. She's been taking the bus for 3 weeks to get to work. Jessica's car has been here for 3 weeks. She drops by every few days asking if there's any way to make it cheaper. There isn't. Without this car, she can't get her kids to school. She can't get to work on time. She's been taking 2 buses each way. She doesn't know I'm here.